So if you followed along with this, you may have noticed one thing that we missed. And this becomes glaring if we go to the calendar page. So I'm going to our anonymous window and putting in calendar. And it says page not found. So what's happening here? Well, when we added a contextual filter, instead of adding it to just the block display, we added it to all displays. And what that means is that now, instead of it just being calendar, the URL is expected to contain a contextual filter, which it doesn't. So what we need to do is roll this back so we only apply the contextual filter to our block and not the page. So on our block display, let's go in here, and instead of selecting all displays, let's select this block override. We'll click apply, and now we need to go to page because this filter is still showing here. But now when we remove it, it won't remove it from both the page and the block because the block display is overriding this setting. So now we can click on this and remove, and let's save this. And now if we go back to our calendar page and refresh, we'll see our calendar.